Getting the failed to initialize error on Rockstar Games Launcher, here's how to fix it fast. Step 1. Click the launcher and select Run as Administrator. That solves most permission issues. Still stuck? Go to the Rockstar website, download the latest version, and install it over your current setup. It will be updated without deleting your games. Next, clear the cache, press Windows R and open the Rockstar Launcher folder in App Data. Delete everything inside, then reboot. Update your graphics drivers too. Outdated ones can cause crashes. And if none of that works, uninstall and reinstall the launcher completely. Bonus tip, try disabling your antivirus briefly. It could be blocking the app. Follow these steps and you will be back in-game in no time.